My father triggered my love for the sport. I used to watch him drag race. He just enjoyed making a car faster and faster. My first time ever being in a racetrack, it felt like where I was supposed to be. I used to sit in my room with my sister and talk about how I would look like in a race suit, in a helmet, in a race car. Winning a race, it gets me goosebumps. It feels like you have the whole world in your hand, and that feeling is worth every single minute you put all your effort into.
We created this platform which combines multiple technologies from Google Cloud, and basically we can have a real chat with your data.
Wow. Girls come up to me and ask, how can we become a race car driver?
Check.
Yeah, I can hear you loud and clear.
Reem, our target is 0 to 60 in less than 2.6 seconds.
Am I good to go?
2.89 seconds. 2.67. Keep pushing.
Guys, there is zero grip on trucks. Zero.
We're going to give you fresh tires for your final attempt.
Congratulations, Reem. You smashed the benchmark. 2.49 seconds.
That's amazing.
Wow. What I've been through is what motivates us Saudi women to pursue our passion and to chase our dreams.